Now start introduction. Okay.
Hey, GM everyone.
GM
So
guys.
this is our first, yeah, GM. First hardware hack. Okay. So idea is to burn lot of boards or don't burn down your home or something, but to try to build some hardware stack. We've been seeing a lot of hardware action,
Mm-hmm.
but we never got to get our hands or dirty on the hardware. So this is our chance. So we got Rishabh from App to help us out. He's from Patna. He's based out of Mumbai. So he'll give a intro and tell more about bit more about Emder and what he does with Emder and where Emder is going and us builders how we can use it. And he has some couple of projects also today to build along with us. So nice to have you, Rishabh. Let's go ahead. I think most of the people who are interested, genuinely interested, are here. So we are all ears.
Hi everyone.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
Hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
So welcome
One
everyone to our
one thing,
workshop.
Rishabh bro. Just before I'm starting, I'm just wanted to set a context, Rishabh bro. We are like very casual people. Okay, we don't need to be formal. You can just like बकचोदी करना है जो भी बोल सकता है. We have people from everywhere, all over India. So we want more to be a casual thing so that there is no friction between us.
Cool. And I also, wherever you guys want to ask anything, just feel free to interrupt.
Yes.
So today is all about getting our hands on uh, uh, building actual embedded systems and not just sitting through theory. So my goal is that by end of this hour, maybe you will have some real embedded projects built. And if anything doesn't make sense or you get stuck anywhere, please feel free to interrupt and ask questions. So, and a little bit about me before we dive in. I'm the founder of Embedder. I'm a self-taught engineer and I love building hardware tools. My background is mostly in early stage robotics startups and competing in hardware and research competitions. And I started Embedder to fix a lot of friction which I felt building embedded systems basically. Yeah.
Nice.
So I'll just start with the very basics and just explain all the lingos in case any of you are not like into this at all. So what is actually an embedded system? So at its core is just a tiny computer built inside a larger product, right? To do a specific job. For example, a watch, a microwave, or a soil monitor, anything. And
Hmm.
how it reads from the world is using sensors or buttons, and then it makes a decision, and then it controls something physical like a motor or a display. So basically it just collects from a bunch of sensors, and then the brain processes whatever it's seeing from those sensors, and then the brain decides what actions to take using actuators like a motor or a display, whatever. And you use them every single day. I've just mentioned few examples like a microwave, smartwatch, soil monitor. They're all embedded systems.
Okay.
Feel free to ask any questions in between. So let's just I'll just share some jargons with you just so that we can build some common terminology. So for today, we are only focusing on three key concepts. One is the MCU, which is basically the brain. It's called micro. Called a microcontroller unit. So think of it as the brain of your board that runs your firmware. Firmware is basically the code which runs on this brain, right? Now we have GPIO. GPIO refers to general purpose pins. And basically think of it like how your brain talks to the rest of the board, basically. Then we have an I2C. I2C is actually just a super common protocol for microcontrollers to talk to complex components like displays or sensors using just two wires. Basically, it's a communication protocol which only takes two wire for you to talk to any other sensor or even some actuators.
Mm.
Any questions so far?
So this Arduino Nano is going to be the MCU in this case.
Yes.
So it can be any different boards as well. That's what you have to say.
Yes. Yes, it could be anything like an Arduino, an STM, even ESP32. Those are pretty popular.
And why do people make custom boards? They want to optimize the consumption. What is the logic behind it?
So basically, if it's a custom PCB, but underneath it might be using the same chips that the MCU development boards use. So, for example, Arduino, ESP32, it's a very common development board, and the chip used inside is also called ESP32. It is commonly used in a lot of products as well, like smart bulbs and whatnot. So
Okay.
the point of the development boards is that you can just buy it off the shelf and just start building with it, start experimenting with it. And the point of custom PCBs are that now you are just taking that whatever parts are required for you from the development board and only putting them onto your PCB. So it can do multiple things like bring the cost down even further, or just basically optimize your whole PCB for that particular product specifically, right?
Got it.
So, for example, if you put an ESP32 development board into a smart bulb, that's an overkill because it has so much shit that you're not using anyway, right?
Correct.
You just chop it down, only put things that are actually needed for your product, optimize for it basically. But underneath the chips are same.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Also, I have some
yeah,
question,
yeah,
which is regarding I2C.
yeah.
So, as I was prototyping something, I understood that by research only that I would need a I2C based audio component instead of non I2C. So, what's the use case of that? Like, what's the difference between I2C and non I2C? Why one does not work uh, above the other? Let's say if I'm integrating it with this ESP32.
Basically, I2C is a communication protocol, and
Okay.
the simplest one. So I2C, the biggest thing about I2C is that it only requires two pin to do the communication. There are many
Mhm.
other communication protocols as well, but I2C is basically is like, think of it as a universal protocol that if it's an I2C sensor, you could probably use it with literally any microcontroller.
Okay.
Yeah. So just that it's a very common communication protocol and very commonly used. Yeah.
Mhm.
Any other questions?
Bro, basically in ESP32, there are multi-variants, right? So
Yeah.
what are these multi-variants? Basically, S3 is there, ESP32 best for CAM is there. So that kind of specific components are there, right? So why are they away? Like, what is the purpose of each, like, basically?
Basically, they all serve different use cases, right? Like you mentioned ESP32 CAM. That's meant for basically development wherever you would require a very simple camera, maybe to stream frame by frame or maybe to analyze frame by frame. And then there are ESP32 S3, for example. That is actually a very powerful chip, uh, which has a lot of processing power, basically, more than the usual variant. And it has more storage as well. So basically, you can put a bigger firmware on it. So basically,
Okay.
all these different variants are meant for different use cases. And
Yep.
some of the time they even have different architectures. Like the chip architecture itself is different. Like for example, there's an ESP32C3. That's a very small board that it's like very smaller than a button. It's that small, so it's meant to be put in very tiny products, and it has a very different architecture as to the usual ESP32 or the S3. So yeah, basically they are all meant for different purposes.
Okay. So
And they have
when we
many
are
different
right
aspects.
now, sorry.
Yeah, you were saying?
No, when so you are saying about the custom PCBs, na? So when
Yeah.
ESP32 we are using for development, okay? So we might need a specific thing. How easy it is to make a PCB from a development kit board? Like basically, I'm asking the transformation. If I develop something on ESP32, right now I need a custom PCB for size or for much more simplification or something. So how easy it is to move from a ESP32 to a custom PCB?
I would say for a seasoned PCB designer, it's pretty simple. But obviously, if you're a beginner and you're just getting into it, there might be some learning curve. But yeah, you would be able to do it on your own within like 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
Basically, there's a learning curve to designing PCB themselves. So once that's out of the way, then you would be able to do it pretty easily.
And I think there are a lot of services also, right? Who does this custom PCB design for on behalf of us?
Yeah, of course, there are many freelancers. Yeah.
Okay.
And once you design these PCBs, you can easily order them. They can even come assembled and soldered for you. You can order them from places like JLC PCB, and there are many other websites as well.
Okay, great.
So before we, however many of you have hardware, if you want to like build a project right now with me, then it'll be great if you can just download Embedder right now. How many
Okay.
of you have hardware, by the way? Want to build
Me.
something right now?
I have.
I have
I do have.
plus.
I'm already working
Okay,
on it.
I'll just put the website link.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can download the app from here. It's a desktop app. You can download for Mac, Windows, Linux.
Okay. Downloading.
You guys have used Cursor or Anti-Gravity?
Cursor. Cloud.
Plot code.
Okay, what else?
Cursor, Claude, anti-gravity, whatever is free. We'll start. Hariharan, our Batman tried everything.
Codex.
Context.
Codex, yeah. Somebody said
OpenClaw is also nice. OpenClaw might be very much suitable for this type of stuff.
like OpenClaw running on your machine, basically.
Yeah, maybe running on a Raspberry Pi as well.
Yeah. So basically, what we have built at Embedder is basically we have built the
Okay, we have built a
cursor for hardware, right?
cursor for hardware. Okay, got it.
And right now, is different development, right? We have built all the tooling for hardware development. So everything that you need for your basically for your machine to interact with your hardware, flash, debug, monitor, whatever, it's all packaged within our app itself. So you do not need to set up anything else apart from it.
It's really good. So how long you been building Embedded?
It's been almost 6-7 months.
And how so far? How's been the journey? How's the feedback from the market?
It's good. Now we are at a good growing phase. So we have now thousands of developers who are using Embedder to build any sort of embedded systems, basically. And most of them are outside India.
Interesting. That's a great news, bro. Congrats.
Thanks. So I'll just wait for you guys to set it up. If
What
you
you're
need any
soldering
help,
for,
let me know.
bro?
Okay.
Kshitij, what you are
I am
soldering
getting
for?
an error. Like Apple could not verify embedded is free of malware. Harm your device.
Just go back on the download page and you'll see the instructions for to resolve that.
Okay.
Yes. Meanwhile, if you have any questions or any queries on hardware things, any ideas that you want to, if you have
Yeah,
some
we can
random.
brainstorm whatever you guys want to build. We can just brainstorm your ideas as well.
Yeah.
I have a resource. Let me share it quickly.
Basically, I have to open the terminal and run this thing, right? Okay.
Yeah, you're on Mac.
Yes.
Okay.
Also having problem with the installation. It's not progressing. It's in
On
Windows.
Windows,
Yeah.
just leave it be.
Okay.
It takes some time.
Guys, seriously, nobody has any shower time hardware ideas. No one.
Okay. I had an idea, but that is already.
Your ideas are very, very dirty.
What
Hey,
the quantum dispenser?
Sir,
yeah. Rishabh knows that. Yeah,
I
tell
have
the
one.
idea.
I have one, but I'm just searching a resource for it so that I can explain it better.
Nikhil, share the idea. I would
Yeah.
like to hear that.
That is 18 plus idea. Sorry. And I have another idea also. Like this is not what do you say? This is family friendly idea. I'll explain.
No, I can help you with the condom dispenser also.
See,
Do you
guys,
really need
literally.
it?
Yeah, I'm able to install it. It's fine.
Wait. Let me install. Run the following command. Okay, I am in the application folder and I have to. But there is no file such as. Okay, let me share my screen so you can assist. Okay. Can you see my screen like Rishabh bro?
Yeah, I can.
Basically, terminal I have to paste this command, right?
Yeah.
It's giving me this error.
Okay, just do ls.
ls.
Did you bin the app? Like, did you delete it?
I know I have, like, should I delete it?
No, no.
It's there.
Did you? Is it an Intel Mac?
The silicon one.
Silicon, okay. And you download the Silicon version, right?
Yes. This one.
Yeah. Go back to the terminal. How come your applications folder is empty?
It has Chrome, it has Comet. No, it has Chrome.
Can you? You just have 3 apps?
I have cursor and
Yeah,
mouse.
should be. Yeah. Seems weird. Go do cd dot ls.
Okay.
What else is there?
This is Android application download.
Do cd applications and ls dash capital
ls dash.
dash a. Yeah. Apps dot localized. Is it Chrome apps dot localized? Can you spin up Cloud? Is it there? Cloud code?
Yes.
I ask it to find where embedder is located.
Then
No. It's
we
because it's
have-
already installed. But what happens is basically Mac is blocking you to just write to find where the embedder app is installed. Let's see. Anybody else is having issues?
I was successfully able to install it with the app running as well.
Siddesh bro, how did you resolve this thing? Siddesh is having in the same Mac, right?
I'm also installing right now. I haven't installed it yet.
Yeah. Now it's done.
Cloud Code said that it's actually in applications folder only. Yeah.
I think
Wow.
it's done.
Anyways, you can open it again. It works.
Hey,
But I'm
done,
really
done.
disappointed that we don't have any ideas.
Any idea
Fuck.
means?
In I mean, there would be some crazy ideas to build with hardware, right? You had the non-family friend quantum dispenser idea. Vijit has Harry has some other idea.
Okay, so like
Ayush,
I do have an idea, but it's quite long actually.
make it short. Make it short. and
Okay.
say.
No. Let me hear.
Yeah. So the idea is to like automate insurance for the farmers. So my idea is that to create like some sort of hardware which could be planted into fields, which would like trace around the fields and make sure like the conditions are not suitable for crops and stuff. So that let's say a farmer has like given that I want insurance when there is like too much rainfall or like some sort of thing, so that like those insurance terms could be automated. Like whenever machine detects that like this thing is happening, like drought is happening or like too much rainfall is happening. And why this? Because I wanted to do it in a remote place, like where let's say the weather station is much far, so that the weather there is not as much as accurate as in cities.
So basically, a drone drone that flies over a coordinate and then collect pictures and then you analyze it?
Yeah, maybe a drone or like a device that runs on field so that I can also get the soil data and the moisture level, that sort of thing.
Yeah, so like the probe that you can put in the soil as well.
Mm.
Okay, so it can be pretty easy. What you can do is basically you can create a system which can collect for in that system you can add any project that comes up. So any field, for example, and then you for the probe you can have an ESP. By the way, do you want it? How do you want the communication to be, like the internet connection? Do you want a mobile app that it pairs with, or do you want it to be always sending you data on its own?
So like since in remote areas, I don't think like internet would be like available. So it
Okay,
could
you
be
can
that the
also
devices would store the data itself, and then whenever someone like some officer or someone gets there, like someone gets online, then through that device it sends the data.
Okay.
so you can use a GSM module for that. You can also SMS the data to
Okay.
you, and that gets recorded by your server. Or you can, if it's possible in that remote area, for internet access via GSM, like if Geo network or Airtel network is available, that could also work. Like it could even work when if the internet becomes available for a moment, then it could even sync the data and not be always connected to internet, right? So basically, for the probe, you can use an ESP. If you basically want the whoever is investigating the case to go there and just fetch all the data from the ESP using a mobile app. So the ESP
Mhm.
has all the sensors connected to it, and you design it as a probe that you can basically manufacture and put each one of them into ground. And each probe basically has a unique ID that you assign to that particular project. So it just gets all automated away into a dashboard. And for the
Okay.
pictures, you have two options. Either you basically pictures you wouldn't be correct collecting them often, right?
Mhm.
It's just a one-time thing.
So pictures, I haven't thought about that. So I was thinking more in like the in-ground thing.
Yeah, so in ground it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, you can basically create build your probe using an ESP32 and put whatever sensors you need, like moisture sensor, temperature sensor, whatever.
But so my main problem with that I was facing, like let's say I like build these devices. So like in a large field, if I like if the main like the whole thing doesn't move, then I need to put a lot of devices, right? But if like can we make one device that can move at a particular position and then like gives the data of that place and then moves to another location?
Then you would have to build something like a rover. Do you want? Why do you want multiple probes? Like, what's the use case?
Okay, the use case is like I want to make it as cost effective as possible so that like instead of putting like a custom PCB box with multiple sensors, like I need to make like at least 10 to 15, right? Then only I can like cover the entire field. But instead, like if I make one movable custom box so that like it can move through the field and give me the data of the entire field.
Okay, so basically, if you want multiple points where you collect data from, then I would suggest if basically it depends on the field size. So if it's not that large of a field, the variance of these different sensors, whatever data they are collecting, wouldn't be much, right? Like in a 1 acre field, uh, one sensor point, whatever moisture it is detecting, it probably isn't that different from the sensor which is on the other side. There might be some difference. So you don't need that many probes. And even if you do, it's basically comes down to the calculation. So basically, the two approaches: either you build those probes, which are going to be very cheap for you, or you build a rover that roams around and collects data at different point. That becomes slightly expensive, and it's prone to breaking more, right? Because basically it's movable. Anything which will move is prone to breaking more.
Hmm.
So I would
True.
suggest it's better to create a network of these probes. You do not need access, basically internet access, or basically creating an access point for each of them. Basically, they can be like a mesh, a mesh network. They are
Mhm.
interconnected to each other, and there's only one brain which is collecting data from all of them, and you can just fetch from that. So it's
Okay.
actually pretty cheap to do that instead of building a complete rover.
And like, what would be the best board to use in this sort of sense?
Rishabh,
Like, Arduino
Rishabh,
Uno is not
Rohit,
possible, right?
Rohit
Rishabh,
bro, we
Rohit,
will give you time.
we'll have the discussion, detailed discussion later once we're done with the
Yeah.
project build. Let's go ahead
Okay. Okay.
with
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
sure.
Cool.
And just to answer your
Wait.
question, you can use an ESP32 that'll suit it very well.
Okay.
Anyways, I'll just share open Embedder now. You guys also do that.
Okay. Okay, those who don't
First, we are building.
just 1 minute. Those who don't like not following, you can like watch my screen also. Like I will be following it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Even I am sharing my screen, showing
Then it's
what
okay.
will happen in Embedder.
Super.
So first project we are building is a digital hourglass basically. So just tell me how many you guys have LED matrix and MPU 6050.
I have.
I do have.
I think 3-4 people do, right?
Yes. I think two mostly. Any other have, guys?
No
Shiji, do
problem.
you have this? MP 6506050. Let's go ahead.
No problem, guys. I am very completely.
Cool. I think
new.
let's stick with Nick. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Nice.
Can you stop sharing your screen?
Shit.
So just from the drop down, select Arduino Nano Atmega 328, a new bootloader.
Oh,
28.
create custom target. Okay.
Where? Adreno. Once more.
Do I need to create a custom target or I just need to search
No.
from that drop down?
Just select from the drop down. No need for a custom target.
Nano new bootloader, right?
Yeah.
Are you custom
Okay,
where,
got it.
where can I find it? Wait.
In the bottom. Target.
No, you don't need custom target.
You finish
No, I'm saying the drop down. Target is the drop down
Yeah.
name, right? Where you are selecting.
In the main text area only you can find the target drop down. Targets are basically which microcontroller you're targeting. That's it. And Embedder supports all major microcontrollers. So you can find everything in the target dropdown itself. Most of the thing.
Nano. Tinaka.
But I'm not able to find this thing,
Same.
Rishabh bro. Nano 80 mega 328.
Even I am getting like Adreno Nano new bootloader.
Let me see your screen.
Okay.
You have already selected it, Nikhil.
This is the one Adreno Nano.
Just click on it again. Click on Nano.
Okay. Okay.
Click on it.
Already clicked it.
Enter Nano. Enter.
Okay. Nano.
Right Nano. Yeah. Right 328.
328. Okay.
Right
328. Okay.
Wait a second. You need to write Nano at Mega. At Mega. No, not at the rate. At just at. No space. At Mega, no space. Okay, no worries. Just keep that selected. Actually, the agent will figure it out for you.
Nano Adreno Nano bootloader. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Just in the prompt you write, I'm using an Arduino Nano. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Just write any. Just describe like how I am describing the project. You can write whatever, anything. Just you need to mention that you're using an Arduino Nano, an MPU 6050, and an LED matrix. Most likely, whatever LED matrix you guys are using, just put its component name. Like, most likely you might be using this MAX 7219.
Okay. Can you drop me that prompt in the chat so I can copy paste?
Yeah, sure. Just I put the prompt in
Okay.
chat.
Done.
Okay.
Okay, just kick it off. Click enter.
I don't have to connect
Okay.
anything.
Not yet. Not
Okay.
yet. Click enter.
Okay.
Yeah, paid project.
Nice. Thinking.
And meanwhile, just connect your Arduino to your laptop.
Okay. Let me turn my camera on. Okay. Very low.
Put your Arduino Nano on the breadboard on the middle of it, and connect it to your computer. Maybe I should draw it on a whiteboard, like how the connection should look. Maybe that'll make it easier. I'll get this off as well.
Hardware is building. I know one is speaking.
It's connected. Okay, I'll put it on my breadboard.
Yeah. I hope
Same.
whoever has Arduino is following us.
Yes.
So your Arduino is connected now. Can you click on devices, Nikhil? On the bottom toolbar, you can see devices.
Here in the embedded app or
Yeah, in Amado. On the bottom toolbar, uh, slightly left, slight left. Yeah,
this one?
click on it. Select device.
This one. Console incoming port.
No, I don't think your computer detects it yet.
Mine is showing USB serial CH340 COM3. Is that it?
Sorry.
It is showing USB serial CH340.
Yeah, it's a
Meow 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 something.
Nikhil. Click on it again. Select device. Maybe it pops up later. Or if it is not being detected, try another USB port on your device.
Something is downloading in this
Yeah. It is basically downloading the toolchain which is required for
for the
it to
project.
interact with your hardware. Yeah.
Okay, let me try with the. Okay, I have connected with this thing. This connector. So should I? I don't have a.
Can you? Is the LED on your Arduino
Ah,
on?
that. Yes. A red light.
Yes.
Red light is coming. Or do we need to click on any button?
Try another port. Yeah.
Wait.
Allow. Click select device. Click again. Try again. Try again. Select device.
This one?
It's not. No. These two ports are actually always there. A new port will pop up if it detects your Arduino.
Like, is there like any other light should come from
No.
Adreno side?
This is fine.
Okay, let me.
But sometimes what happens is maybe the USB is just giving it power, but
Oh.
not
Hmm.
communicating it, like detecting it as a serial port. That might be the issue.
Okay, status success. No.
Ask the agent to flash your device. Just write my device.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, see, I don't have a USB port on my Mac. I'm using C port, USB C to like a connector. Then I am connecting this thing.
Yeah.
Then only I am connecting the.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Your dongle has more than one port on it.
Yes. Okay, USB serial.
So maybe try. Yeah. Now it's That's the
Now
one.
I know the problem. I didn't press hardly. That's why it's not working. Okay. Newbie mistake. Okay. Then what?
Okay, cool. Go back to Embedder.
I don't play guitar. Okay, embedded.
Can you guys see my screen? Yeah.
Okay, your screen. Okay.
Yeah. These are the wiring instructions. I think it's better if I draw it on a whiteboard,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. That would be better.
Or I'll just draw it. So before flashing, now let's focus on getting our wiring completed.
Okay.
So this is MPU 6050, right?
Okay.
Now it has VCC.
Oh shit! I hit the free tire.
Sorry. Oh, no worries.
Uh,
Send me your registered email.
okay.
I, I'll upgrade you.
The pro plan.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I signed up with my Gmail account. Okay. Like Google sign up, right?
Just just send me your email address.
Here, here.
You will have. I'll bump you up to hobby plan for a day.
Sure.
ബന്ധൻ സ്മോൾ ക്യാപ് നാം പുതിയ
Guys, the next time we ask for buy you components, please do buy components. At least you could have all built together. That's why I sent you across the components 1 week back.
No worries, guys. Maybe they'll find interest now.
Yeah, that's what we are hoping.
You guys can see this whiteboard, right?
Yes.
I hope it's pretty straightforward.
Okay. 26 euro VCC. CC to 5 out.
Yeah, so this is how you need to wire it.
Okay, VCC to
On
Okay.
the on all of these three components, you can see the pins clearly have the marking on them, right?
VCC to 5 volt.
Actually, guys, one more thing. I'm now just realizing it. Maybe your because when we created the project in Embedder, we didn't specify which pins we were using. So the pins might be slightly different. So if even if it is, just mention what the pins are to the agent. He'll fix it up.
Ground, ground to ground.
Okay, I'm going to open my
Just
camera so everyone can see, okay? So no one will get bored. Rishad bro.
CM to F5.
Hmm?
Nice thing, we bought all different types of wires. So today when we went to shop, he was asking whether you want male to male, female to female, male to female. I told, give me all sets.
yeah, sorry I didn't mention that.
It's okay, it's okay. Anyway, it's good only because we can use it for upcoming projects.
Yeah, yeah.
Rishad Bob, like
So
can
do you
you
do any kind of? Go ahead, go ahead.
like a Joe,
See.
like can you ask like I'm sharing like open my camera so everyone can see and for people when don't get bored. Or Aju can open the camera and show how is building. Like, so Cryptosome
Wait.
is more pro than me.
Our pro is Batman. It does not even
Batman is not available. See.
able to see.
Okay, Batman, come on, Batman. Or like, see,
So I cannot do this because I'm working with my computer and it will be difficult for me to show what I'm working with.
then I'll show. Okay.
Yeah, tell.
Yeah.
Batman, help me, Batman. Come on. Don't be, don't be humble.
Bro, I can't even see your video.
Why?
Character.
Settle is plugged in.
Okay, I have taken this board. Come on, tell what to do next.
SDA to A4.
Put Arduino Nano on the center of it. So one set of pins will be on the wait. I'll draw it easier.
Like, can you like do you have the components or can you share the screen or like show how it's done? So see, already this thing is recorded.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Cool, cool. Wait. It's,
And then that will
you're
be
right. It's better.
that will be better so we can easily.
I'll turn on my camera.
Yes, much better.
VCC to 5
Postetron.
volt.
Put your ESP plugged in. Postetron is a hardware guy that I know. Postetron and Ishan.
Yes.
These guys
Oh,
were
Boston.
not Boston. Postetron. That guy. Ishan and they made something.
Let me
Hmm.
let me connect an external camera so that I can show my desk.
Okay. Meanwhile, you can see my dragon. Okay. You.
Hey, GM Priyanshu, we are here. Bro, did you get components or you just came empty handed?
Probably empty-handed.
VCC to 5 volt. VCC to 5 volt. Ground. Ground to ground. If this is the way nobody's buying kits and all, we will not definitely host this kind of sessions, bro. We want everyone to start with that. Why we pick the basic projects also, so that everyone gets a taste of it. And the components also goes like maybe for a project less than 600 or something.
Hmm.
No, no.
Batman and Chidesh don't have shit. Like, where is Chidesh?
Shijit bro, how is your build going on?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Are you building the same thing?
No.
What are you building?
I'm working with the ESP32.
But what are you building?
Um, I'm trying to build something which has camera, mic, and speaker, and I'll embed an agent into it.
Chidesh bro, can you build the Iron Dome? It will be very viral. Okay.
Which one?
The Iron Dome. The Iron Dome one. This one.
Where is?
This one. This video check. If you can see my screen. See?
T11. Yes.
Oh,
It does and fires. See?
crazy.
Awesome project.
So, Rishabh bro. So if when like now I have you to draw the diagram, pin diagram. So can I ask the same to the agent or like
Sorry.
now I have a whiteboard you have given to me for connecting. So
Yeah.
like how do I get it if you are not there? That's the question. I can just ask the embedder itself, right?
Yeah. Sorry, I don't understand your question actually. What is it?
So my question is that see, clearly now you have clearly shown us in the whiteboard that how to connect what all pins to nano with the sensors.
Right.
So in absence of you or this whiteboard, how do I get it? I just asked to embedder what are the pins I need to
Yeah,
connect.
it already gave. Just show your screen. I'll show you where it is.
No, I think I'll show you. But what happened is that when you told me to flash the thing, no, I flashed it. So let me just share screen.
No worries. You can always flash it again, right?
Yeah, this is where I'm right now. Oh yeah, it was there. This one, right?
Yeah, a README with all the connections.
I think right. Yeah.
And we have a schematics and PCB feature which are coming up very soon. Basically,
Super.
it'll give you the entire schematics and yeah, it can even do custom PCBs for you.
I mean, you guys will offer the custom PCB as a service. That's what.
Yeah. Not as a service like basically it'll give you that it'll generate that custom PCB design for you.
Oh, then I can just create an order for it and get it fabricated.
Exactly.
Super.
Yeah. But it's still meant for embedded developers so that they can just verify before they order it, you know.
Okay. Yeah, Nikhil is recording it, Priyanshu.
Guys, the problem is I'm unable to set up an external camera with my device. I'll just use my laptop to show you.
Okay.
Guys, meanwhile, if you Just post a tweet, tag embedder. Don't forget to do that, folks.
Can you see
Mm.
my desk?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not sure how visible it is, but this is how you have to put your Arduino Nano on the breadboard.
Nice. My MPU is live. It is showing red light.
I'll just disconnect everything and do it from scratch.
Okay.
So, can you see my?
എന്താണ് വെച്ചേ
ഒന്നുമില്ല.
കളിക്കുന്നോടാ ഉണ്ടച്ചി
Okay, done.
Okay. Now just connect your Arduino. What happened? Yeah, that's right. Do it again.
I don't have to press it like really tight, right?
Sorry, what is it?
Like I don't have to press this thing all deep.
Oh no, you have to put it all the way in like this. See, it should go all the way inside the breadboard. Yeah. And just connect your Arduino Nano to your computer via the USB cable. You see it blinking like this. You can see the LEDs switched on like this.
I cannot press this thing hard. Is this the same thing, Aju? Is Aju able to?
Show your, wait, where is it?
Oh,
Show
bro.
your, yeah, it is, it's similar. See, just put it in between both of these. Between. One side of pins on one rail and the other on the opposite rail. And press it. Yes.
If I press it harder, will it break?
Yeah, everything is on. Yeah.
Okay, done. Done.
Now let's connect our MPU 6050 first. Okay. Can you?
This one MPU 650, right?
Yeah, bro, but I think you need to solder the pins first.
No, I just put it on the board. It is lighting up.
Actually, sometimes it comes, the pins come separately, not soldered. Do you have a soldering iron?
I don't have a soldering iron.
I don't think Nikhil has one.
Yes, Aju has one.
Oh, because your pins are not soldered on the board.
Even mine is not.
It's working.
MPU 6050 is like on. MPU is on. I can see the red light.
How is it on if it's doesn't have the pin soldered?
I just pushed down it too. Can you see if it's...
Can you share your video?
Yeah, I'm sharing my video. We can see this. This is on. I just put the male pin into the board and it is just connected like that.
Okay. Like
See?
Yeah. Try it that way, but how will you move the? Because it's a gyro basically.
And
You have to
basically,
move it for the effect to take place. You can move the whole breadboard.
yeah, we'll move the whole breadboard. You can't.
Yes, this person is also correct. You can basically, but you still need a wire stripper. Do you guys have? Or just tear up the one side of the jumper wire, and where the pin is, you can just basically tie it up.
To remove the MPF from the board.
Yeah,
Okay, tear up the wire and it's with fine.
connect the MPU because there might be, or otherwise, we can just do an animation on the display.
Yeah, that also will work. No worries. But I think my
But
display is not
sometimes I am
working.
not sure what happens is sometimes they send you the sensors and the headers separately. They don't
Yeah,
solder it.
we got it like that only. We have the headers
Yeah, yeah,
separate.
yeah. So you need to solder that first, then you would be able to use it reliably.
You can do the next time, Rishabh, when you're sharing it, no? I mean, you can specify these kind of things for the components. So it will be easy for a workshop
Yeah,
or
yeah,
anything.
yeah. Actually, it doesn't happen all the time.
I know. Maybe this is, I mean, do you do this kind of workshops anytime? Or,
No, I don't actually.
or is this the first one you're doing with kind of
No,
this
I've
light?
done many. We don't. I
Okay.
don't do it often. I've done it previously. I've conducted workshops previously, like few years back, but I don't. Never done it for Embedo.
Okay.
Anyways, let's just connect our. I think you already have your display connected, right? LED matrix.
Yeah.
So go back to Embedo, and Nikhil, yes, you can connect it directly to your Arduino Nano.
How do we do that?
Just otherwise leave it if it's already on the breadboard. Just do the connections how you normally would. So just refer to my whiteboard designer as well. Just focus on the LED matrix part. We don't need this anymore. I should just remove it.
Rishabh, does this mean this is the LED is broken or something? I can see a white line or non-lit line in between.
So, where? Uh,
In the middle, there is a line which is not like lit up. Is it maybe a faulty one or something?
let's maybe not. Let's debug it. With the code we can. Just a second.
Sure.
So yeah, you see, just follow this connection.
Okay.
So your LED matrix VCC should go into Arduino Nano's 5 volt. Ground
Okay.
should go into ground.
No,
DIN should go into D11.
Okay.
CS should go into D10. And CLK should go into D13. Just verify if this is how it is connected right now.
Yeah.
Aju, share the camera, Aju, otherwise people will get bored. I am lost.
No, my camera is like will be difficult. If I share it like this, and I'm not able to see the screen. Okay, I'll try some jugaad. Let's see.
Log in from the mobile phone, Aju. Yes,
No, it's okay.
log in from Rebecca's phone. Rebecca is in
I
the
also tried to set up a webcam for my desk view, but unfortunately the webcam is acting up.
CS2010. You're able to see now.
the is it webcam working normally or is it like a Discord thing? Is Discord throwing you an error or it's not working? The webcam. Generally it's not working.
Actually, Discord is not. Whenever I click on that camera name, it is showing my default camera only from the Mac.
Maybe disconnect and
That's
connect. Like disconnect from Discord and try to log in.
Okay, let me try again.
Probably to log
CS to detail. Oh shit, where is the CS? Fuck, there's no CS here. Oh, my bad. Is it to find out? Yes.
As Cryptoswami cheated me. I thought Cryptoswami was also a newbie. He almost
Bro,
finished.
I don't know what even the wires are. Fuck. I mean, fuck you. You should have seen Harry figuring out the stuff during our hackathon.
Harry not
Harry was like a
speaking.
madman.
Harry, speak something, Harry. Harry.
Bro, my Airtel Wi-Fi is not working. I am already sad.
Anyone else positron? Come on. Come on.
Yeah, so many people in the launch and everyone is
Come on, help me. I am on laptop. Anyone on laptop? Just tell me how to do this thing. I am this status.
shit.
Made in India. Okay, I'll connect. The LED, what to do? What to do? Should I connect the female pin?
Still getting the same issue with my camera. I'll just use my laptop's camera only.
Okay.
And you guys,
Or you can log in with your mobile phone also. Done. That also works. Okay.
yeah, I can do that also. Okay, let me try from my phone.
Connect wires with the pin, Deagle Pro. What wire? What wire? Female port I have. Okay, this LED. What to do? What to do with this LED? I have four. What to do? Female one with the number. Pin number. What is pin number? You mean that whiteboard thing? You shared.
I'm just rejoining this call.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, got it. Okay, now he's stopped. Aju, where is that?
What?
Share me that pin Excel. Excel.
I don't have it. No. That Excalibur he only has.
I'm resharing.
Hey, hi Famin, GM.
Okay. Photos and to save the
Shit, what happened to it?
gave up. Cryptoswami will do it. No. Everyone watch Cryptoswami.
I also flop, bro.
പറയല്ലേ.
I'm not able to watch your. Can you just put that Excalibur thing in the chat? Yes. Got it. Thank you, Shubhu. It's there. PCC2. Rishabh, bro, what you can do is like you can just go ahead also, and I'll try to finish it up.
Or you can try to show how you are building that thing. So even in like this is recorded, so we can rewind and watch that thing.
Yes.
Yo.
Guys, I think we have to make do with my laptop's camera only.
Okay.
No worries.
Anyways, you guys can see the Excalibur, and we just need to connect our dot matrix LED with the Arduino Nano. So the CLK would go into CLK would go to D13. So I just put it on D13 right here.
Sure. D13.
Just follow along and make sure your wiring is D30. On the Arduino Nano, you can see it towards the USB pin only. On the right or your left, you can see D13.
Oh, in Arduino board D3, right?
D13, D13.
Okay. Oh, that we have to
Just see
solder.
all the pins you will find ED.
Okay.
So CS would go into D10, which is here. Wait. Then we have DIN, which will go into D11, which is here. Ground, which will go into ground. You can put the ground pin in any pin that says ground on the GND on the Arduino Nano, and VCC will go into 5 volts. And I will just, this is how I've done the wiring basically.
Okay.
You can see.
Wait.
Nice.
And I'll just go back to Embedder. I'll also share Embedder screen. I will just go back to Embedder and say no need to use MPU 6050, just use the LED matrix and use it for different sorts of animations.
Okay.
And I'll just put it in.
Shubhu, open your mic and ask question, bro.
food. Achu, food taker.
Hmm? What?
Okay, I think somebody has a question in chat. Which
Yes.
model is best for electronics? Gemini works pretty well. Jeep. Any frontier model would be good enough for these sorts of projects. But if you want to do something complicated, maybe Opus or Gemini.
What is the problem? No need to use okay.
I am doing a setup for you guys so that I can join you.
Nice. Sijit is the real cook.
Hardware, software, I don't care.
You guys can see.
Yes. Oh,
Yes, yes.
what
So
camera
guys,
is
this is my
that?
breadboard.
So
Okay.
much so clarity.
MacBook.
Oof. What are you doing?
So I'm actually working with ESP32. There's no mouse.
You guys see. Wait, I'm not sharing.
Yes, yes.
You guys see my
Wow.
LED matrix?
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Just okay. Let's wrap it up. Nikhil, you were sharing your camera,
Screen.
right? Can you can you do it?
Aju,
Right now?
can you follow that thing? I am lost.
What do you want to do?
Like
No,
share.
no, Nikhil, I'll help you out. Just where are you stuck? The wiring.
So basically, I have connected the Adreno. Okay. Then
Okay.
from this thing, this LED thing, there is like CLK C5. I have to connect with the Adreno, right? With wires, right?
Yeah. So just take 5 female
Okay.
to male jumper wires.
Okay. Okay.
Female to male jumper wires.
Ah, okay. Okay. Then 5 I have to like peel it off, right?
Yes. Yes. 5.
Okay. Then it's then wait. Then I'll do it fast.
And plug.
Okay.
See on the LED matrix.
Hmm.
Pins are on each side, but you only need to plug in where you see this chip.
Where
Below
you
that, plug your 5 jumper wires.
Okay, I have both this thing, so anywhere I can put it, right?
No, not anywhere.
Huh.
Below, you see this chip on the board. Turn it around.
No, I don't. I don't have mine.
Turn it around. Show me the display. Turn it around. Oh, yours is slightly different. Okay, put it anywhere then.
Oh, there is out and in. There is out and in. In out.
Yeah. So
Anywhere I can put, right?
put it in. Where does it say the pin
This is here. It's in.
pin names?
Hmm.
Both on both it says, so put it in.
So in I am putting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, done. I have to
Cool.
wait. Okay, put it in.
Yeah, exactly.
Now,
Now you're done.
now
So
have
see whichever says first find the wire which is connected on CLK, the pin which is titled CLK.
the CLK is the brown one. Okay, got it.
So put the brown wire
Hmm.
in D13.
See,
Or do you know, Nano? You see towards the USB. Yeah, exactly.
this
There,
is the
put it in D13.
here it's D3, right? Okay, here it's
No, it's
D3. Ah,
D1. It's D1 through.
D3 I can see. D13 I can see. Hmm? But so
Yeah.
should I
Yes.
find somewhere here? Like,
No. Just put it beside the D13 pin. The hole beside the D13 pin on the breadboard, put it there.
I don't. Oh, in the.
Breadboard, yeah, exactly. Exactly beside D13.
There is a hole. Okay, in any
See,
hole I can put, right?
yeah, not anyone. See,
So the close to D line, like
wait,
where.
it's easier.
Hmm?
It's easier to show it in Excalibur.
Okay, Excalibur is one.
So I'll just tell you like breadboard basics.
Hmm.
You can see my Excalibur.
Yes. I'm checking in chat. Oh, yeah, you are not screen sharing. Like, okay, now I can see.
Yeah, now.
Yes.
So see, this is the breadboard, right?
Okay.
So you have pins on this side, which are completely disconnected uh, on either end.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is basically how a breadboard looks, right?
Hmm.
Now what happens is, now you have placed your Arduino Nano like this, correct?
Yes. Two on the
Now, the,
two on the left side and three on the.
yeah,
Okay.
whatever, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So this is how it works. Basically,
Hmm.
it is all the pins like this,
Hmm.
they are connected to each other, all of them.
Okay, got it.
So if yeah, so if you are on D13,
I can connect
like
with anywhere in that line, right?
exactly in this line, like the one which where D13 is connected to.
Okay. Okay, D13 I have connected. Then
Yes.
now I
Now
have
next connect
CK,
uh
CS, right?
s- CS. Yeah.
CS on
Connect
where?
CS to D10. D10.
D10. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, see, this is what I was missing. You didn't teach me breadboard basics.
Sorry, I just assumed people would know how to use a breadboard.
No, I don't know. This first time I not first time
Yeah, my
putting
bad.
D30. Okay, D13 I have connected.
Not D13.
D10,
CS would go to
D10, right?
D. CS would go to D11. D11.
CS D11 it's going.
Yeah.
CS is going to D10. In the Excel draw you drawn D10. In the
In the yeah, it was D10.
So I need to connect to
Fine,
D10, right?
put it on D10.
Okay.
No, put it on D10. It's good.
Okay. And the next one would
Then
be
yeah, DIN would go to D11 beside it.
D11, right? Okay, done. And the other thing is C10 D11. GND goes to where? Where does GND goes to?
Yeah, GND will go to GND in Arduino Nano. Just find any pin which says GND and put it there.
G. Okay, done. And the last one, VLC.
VCC would go to any pin which says 5V, meaning 5 volt, 5V.
Where is 5V? Cannot see 5V. Okay, got it. Okay, done. Done. I connected everything.
Okay, cool. Just open Embedder now and share your screen while you do so.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Just now say no need to use MPU 6050. Just use the LED matrix and do
Can you
random
give me the?
animations
Can
on
you
it.
give me the prompt? Once you give
Just write this. No need to use MPU 6050.
MP.
Use MPU 6050. 6050.
And
Just 6050. Just use the LED matrix for random animations.
okay. Should I prompt? Should
Yeah,
I?
just enter.
Okay. How many team you have like for building this product?
I'm the sole developer.
Oh, nice. Is this built on Electron, the software? The editor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Using Electron.
Okay.
Cool. It confirms the same thing: CSD10, CLK D13, DI, and D11, right?
Confirming VLC is on. Okay. Should I come?
I just put something in chat. Just copy paste into the agent. Yeah.
Okay.
Enter.
Finish sucks.
Is it working? A display?
Yes.
Can you show us?
Nice. Excited.
Nice.
You can't see.
See?
Yeah. Now I can. Yeah.
This is random animations, right?
Right. You can.
This is a random animation, right?
Yeah. You can just describe whatever animation you want as well. Like you can put like text as well. Like make it basically write Athena, Project Athena, something like
Oh,
that.
that I can prompt and it will work, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Let me see.
But
Let me try. A simple countdown timer I can build.
yes, you can. And just write at the end to flash again,
Okay.
so that it will also make the changes and upload to your board right away.
Flash it, right? Flash it.
Yeah, yeah.
So I've seen in some YouTube channels like they're displaying the subscribers count. Hmm?
You can do that.
So what all other tech I need to build that thing?
See, first thing you need to know is that your Arduino does not have a clock. It does not know the current time.
Hmm.
So it can use the web to get the current time. Is it doing the countdown now? Can you show us?
Where is this number? Something is happening, but where should I? What side? One, two, or 10?
I
Let's see
think it is
what it is
half
saying.
of.
Huh?
Half of five,
Let's
four,
see.
3, 2, 1.
One.
That's a 0.
Yeah, timeout.
Time out. 10, 9, 7.
It can be better. Just let's see what the agent wrote. Like I want to see it's saying in the chat. Yeah, it counts down from 10 to 0, updating once per second. Since 10 is two digits, I created custom 8 into 8 pixel bitmaps for the numbers 0 through 9. Since 10 is two digits and normally wouldn't fit well, I designed a custom sequenced version of 10. So, okay, tell it that the numbers seems to be cut in half, and don't do 10, just count down from 0 to 9.
Every time I have to say flash it, right?
0 9 to 0, yeah. No, not every time. Yeah, you can just mention just in case. You don't have to every time. Just understands slowly.
So APIs. So things I want to control the API. So what do I need to connect with APIs?
Basically, you Arduino Nano, either Arduino Nano would basically be communicating with your computer. So there would be a Python script that tells your Arduino Nano what to update on the display. Otherwise, you can use an ESP,
Hmm.
and basically ESP has inbuilt Wi-Fi, so
Hmm.
it can connect to the internet on its own.
This one.
Uh, yeah, exactly. This is ESP32 CAM.
Where?
So it has inbuilt Wi-Fi. Arduino Nano does not have any
Okay.
Wi-Fi or Bluetooth.
Okay.
So basically, ESP will connect to the internet,
Hmm.
fetch the latest time.
Hmm.
If you give it your YouTube API key access to that, and it'll be able to fetch your current subscriber count and display on the matrix also, basically a sliding one. Like it cannot fit your subscriber count directly on the display, so it has to be something like sliding, you know.
Got it. So better one, I can upgrade this gadgets, right? This is a basic one, right? So I can buy a display and
Yeah.
then play similar things, right?
Yeah, you can actually use multiple of them as well. You can put multiple of these matrices together, LED matrix, to make a larger display, basically.
Like China videos, the TV,
Yeah,
LED
yeah.
TV, they will remove one piece.
Yeah, yeah, these
China
only,
video.
basically.
Why are you racist, Harry? Racist, Harry. Still, I am getting an error. Think, think.
Bro, count the pixel. Say the exact pixel sizes, like how much 8 into 8 or 5 into 5, and then give it.
Is it 8 into 8, by the way?
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that's the issue. Basically, I think your LED matrix is not MAX
1,
79.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's 8. It's 8.
So 8 into 8 is 16.
2, 3.
So it's 8 into 8, right?
6, 7, 8. No, it's 8 into 8. I can tell.
Can you just see that? By the way, you can press there's a button on your Arduino Nano. You can press it to reset, basically start the code from beginning. So again, it will count down from 9 to 0 or 0 to 9. Click it. There's a button on your Arduino Nano.
I clicked it.
Can you just see the orientation? Maybe the orientation is not right. Let me try it on my end.
Six, 5, 4, 3. Some pixels are not. Okay, display. I can write. Okay. Information layer 1.
Guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you guys are doing wrong, but work pretty quickly for me. See?
Let me try to fire the entire place. Okay.
Can you see my display?
Okay. You are.
Can you see my display?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Aju is coming. Aju, is it working for Aju? Aju, you are mute. Turn on.
No, it was working earlier. There was some issue with the power pin, so it stopped working.
See, Aju bought cheap fun for me also, guys. That is okay.
I think I've tried it, Shubhu.
Cheap electronics Aju bought. Let me try it one more. Okay, let me pull. Should I use Claude? Okay. Rishabh bro, do I have the option to use my Claude here? Claude Code, Claude
No.
Max. No?
No, your cloud subscription with my app.
Huh? See this. Just if I
No,
can
you can't.
open
But
a
you can
terminal,
use. In terminal you can use Cloud.
so
Yes.
it will understand the code, right?
Yeah.
Why not working?
The code is not the issue, I feel.
Its code is not the issue, right?
Nice work, Shubhu.
It's you, Nikhil.
Huh?
Code is not the issue. You are the issue.
Code is not the issue.
Check the chat, guys. See what Shubhu cooked.
You fried it. Oh, nice.
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 Sipu, boo, boo,
C3,
sipu,
is it?
sipu.
Nice one.
Today we are posting this.
So what Shubhu was saying is that it's not just an image it is showing. He's using some math formula to show that image because he was not able to
Okay.
find a library or something. Nice. I fried my LED. Cheers.
Okay, let me try.
But I did not expect Nikhil's to work, to be honest. I was expecting mine to work and he will fry it.
Let me. I'll cut. See, give me 5 minutes. I'll show you how this thing is done. Animation and
So Rishabh bro, how big is your team? Like how
one
many are
solo
there?
indie developer.
Three people right now.
3.
Yeah.
Crazy. And I saw your like intro that you started building from the age of 12, right?
Yeah, yeah. Like coding.
Crazy. It's a pleasure to have you here, bro. It's crazy.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Okay. What is your selling point with this embedded? So like hardware for hardware for cursor for hardware, right? Hmm?
Yes.
So the counterpoint will be like why can like the same thing it will work with Claude, right? So why should I use your app
No,
product?
it doesn't have. Claude doesn't have the right tooling for it to interact with your hardware. So basically, if it tries to do that, basically it'll be writing scripts to flash your. Basically, you'll need CLIs. First of all, whatever toolchain you're using, you'll need access to those CLIs. If you have it installed, basically, if you need to debug it or basically interact with your hardware, it'd be writing scripts to do that. And with embedder is just simple plain tool calls. But basically, it has everything which is required for hardware development packaged within the app itself. You don't need any separate environment. You do not need to set anything up on your own. And this is just for now. So basically, we have automated the entire firmware pipeline. And next, what we are doing is basically we are bringing PCB and schematics onto within our app itself. So you'll be able to design PCB and schematics for you as well.
Okay,
Simulated PCBs?
No, won't. We are not touching simulations right now, but yeah, it will do
Okay.
basic validation.
Okay. Like a firmware design kind of thing.
Firmware it already does for you end to end. Any sort of firmware you can give it for any sort of target. It will basically you just keep your hardware connected. It will run its build loop, whatever. Whatever you want to build, it will flash to your hardware, interact with your hardware to figure out what is going wrong. If there's any debugging need, it can also use more advanced debuggers
Nice.
or can simply talk with your hardware using serial monitor. It can do it on its own.
So are you building like bootstrapping or have you raised any funding yet?
We are raising. Right now, it's all bootstrapped.
How many concurrent users do you have right now?
We have around 300 developers weekly active.
And what are the price plans like?
$10 hobby plan, $25 pro plan. $10 hobby plan, you get only access to Gemini model and you get $10 worth of usage credits basically. And pro plan, you get access to all the models and you get $25 worth of credit. and beyond that, it is usage based. So whatever else, however else you use beyond that, you get billed for it
Is
every month.
there a scope for enterprises like B2B
Yeah,
business something?
yeah. We most right now we only target embedded developers and companies building embedded systems. We're talking with few enterprise clients also now.
Okay.
Bro, can you give us some resources for knowing the basics of PCBs and stuff?
Yeah,
Best
actually, we are
because
working on it.
okay.
On our website also, there's a docs section. Uh, it's slightly outdated, so we are just working on those resources like tutorials and all. So we'll be able to share with you guys very soon.
Because I have searched around YouTube. It's there,
Yeah,
but it is kind of not formatted. Like very specific, if you ask, you are getting it, but still a
yeah,
basic kind of electronics kind of thing is not there. What is 5VC? What is 3V3? What is RX40? What is that? That kind of thing.
yeah. I'll make a beginner friendly version. So that's why, like, I in this workshop also, I realized a lot of things that that'll just help me with the making those content, like explaining breadboard basics, explaining
Mm.
what 5V is, 3V, and all that.
Okay, I think understand the problem. I think it's the problem with my LED strip. So if I press here, some LEDs are working.
Yeah, might be your LED matrix going wrong.
Say hi.
Might be.
Hi.
No, no, no. It's just a live camera feed. Eh,
What?
live camera feed from this
Camera feed, camera feed.
altitude.
Oh, so anywhere
Wait.
if I hit the
Nice.
IP, will will it show? Or is it a local loss connection? Connections are loose. Which mean the LED connection?
Who is that? Who is that?
Rami sir.
Guys, I have to go now. But any last questions you guys might have? If you need help later on, I'll be happy to.
Oh, thank you.
Sure, bro. Thanks a lot for, saying
Thank you
yes
for the
to.
session.
Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
and
We'll
if
definitely try to push it from our side. We'll try to fuck around and find out.
yes, and
Please,
also that
guys.
gyro thing we will figure it out. Okay. Also share what else can we improve on this thing other than the animation. Anything useful also. Okay. In your free time.
Uh, I think it'll be just visually, it'll be better if you just buy more matrix and put them together. I think that'll give you an even better effect. No,
Okay.
Yes.
Will do.
and guys, you can follow us on Twitter.
Okay.
I think you guys already know the handle.
We'll be
Yep.
posting this thing, so we'll be tagging it. Okay.
Yeah,
We'll probably
sure.
record the
Thanks a
session.
lot, Rishabh, bro, for saying yes, spending 2.5 hours, close to 2.5 hours with us.
Of course, no worries.
Sure. Looking forward to build with
And
him.
you can just find me on Twitter also.
Hmm.
This is my username.
Just drop it in the chat. So
Yeah, please drop it inside.
If you guys have any questions or need any help about Embedder or whatever project you're working on, you can just DM me on Twitter.
Super.
Bro, gonna ping you
about building a voice controlled RC car.
Sure.
Bye, Rishabh.
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Bye
Bro.
bye,
Thank
Vishal
you.
bro.
See you.
Thank
Bye.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bill. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Now we have our in-house electronic guy, Shibu. Shibu will teach us about. Shibu will teach about Android. So probably this will be fire. Or should I turn this thing other way around, Shibu? These pins. Yeah.
It would have been nice if everyone had the components, bro. It would be nice.
Yeah.
No, it will.
Only 3-4 of us
Haven't.
only had it.
We haven't promoted this thing. Okay.
I tagged announced last week. I again posted on Monday.
What else is required?
I think we need more push for someone. I thought
Yeah.
like people saw it.
Hariharan, Shibu, if I turn this thing, I can directly.
Not Shibu.
Shibu, I know.
Shibu.
Shibu. If sorry, I say I'll tell everyone's name incorrect, so no problem. I don't know. It's with Chitesh. I will call it Chitesh. Something like Chitesh. Something. If I like unplug this wire, it will not break, right? It's not like you have to turn this off and you have to unplug it. Yeah, nothing will happen.
Nothing like that. You can plug it out.
Batman, did I ask you anything? No, Chupro, okay? You don't
I will
speak.
say.
And whenever I ask for Batman, bro, internet connection, bro, internet connection, Airtel, bro.
Oh, right now, just I came outside for just seeing the things you are guys working. I was very interested. Fuck the Airtel guys. I am really missing this.
You can, but make
You are
sure
speaking
things
Oh,
can
you are
at
mute.
mute, bro.
You are on mute.
We'll pull in some crypto and buy Harry a Starlink, bro. It's need of the hour.
No, I have tweeted it just to bitch about that Airtel guys.
Airtel guys will be like some fucker from is tagging.
Bro,
They
4 days
won't even
outage.
care, bro.
No, they have replied.
Let's see.
That automated support ticket one.
Shit, I thought